Can Melody say, love you?
Hello.
Say, hi. Say hi. Say hi. What is it? Say hi. Is it a fly? Can you say fly?
Hi.
Bug. Can you say bug? Where's the bug? Yeah, that's a bug.
Good.
Yeah, he's on your stroller. Say shoo. Shoo fly. Oh, you don't like the fly. It's okay, he's not gonna hurt you. He's all gone. He's all gone. It's okay, I promise. Flies can't hurt you, honey. It's okay. He's all gone. They all gone. Are you still looking for him? It'll be okay. He's all gone. They all gone. Say no more fly. Huh? You gonna be okay? Was that kind of traumatizing for you? It's not in there. You can take it. The fly isn't in there. Say cheese. Say please. Say thank you. Say bubble. Say love you. Say love you. Melody, say love you. What's wrong? There's no fly. It's okay. He's all gone. Melody, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You see him? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is. It's just a fly. It's not going to hurt you. Go get him. It'll be okay. Get him. Go say shoo. Say shoo fly. Say shoo fly. Yeah, say shoo fly. Yeah, go get him. Go give him a kiss. Go give the fly a kiss. You gotta go up there and give it to him. Go up there and give him a kiss and say shoo fly.
He's shy.
Go on. Alright, watch. See what Mama's gonna do? See what Mama's gonna do? See the fly? Shoo fly. See, he's all gone. All gone. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, fly. Bye-bye, fly.
Good.